Now, the shoulder stretch that I'm going to show you is how to stretch the pectoralis major muscle. This is also known as how to stretch your chest. The pec major muscle is a muscle that attaches to your ribs, it attaches to your breastbone, aka the sternum, and then your clavicle, aka the collarbone. And then those fibers move into the upper arm bone, up, aka the humerus. This muscle can get tight from exercise in the chest, but it can also get tight from driving all day, sitting at a computer, or sleeping side-lying. These would be a few reasons that you really need to stretch this particular muscle. I know some of you might not think of this muscle as a shoulder muscle because you've been reading a bodybuilding magazine or a bodybuilding article online, but the reason why is really simple. The chest muscle, the pec major, it works with those anterior shoulder muscles such as the deltoid muscle in some movements, and because of that, the fibers that connect into the upper arm bone, they cross that shoulder joint. That is what really makes it a shoulder muscle. The way I'll teach you to stretch this muscle is really simple, and is a stretch that really only uses your body in a door frame. So you can do it just about anywhere. Though, you know, if there's a big rock formation, you can do it as well. To begin the stretch, let's start with an open door and face away from that door frame. Now we're going to take the palm on the side we want to stretch, and we're going to hold the door frame softly with a relaxed hand. Now you're going to take your torso and you're going to rotate your body till you get to the end range of motion. Make sure your hand is lower than your pec. You don't want it like pec or higher than the shoulder because you're going to get the shoulder in a bad position. So then once you do that, you have a stance where one foot is in front of the other, like if you were walking, and you rotate away while the hand is holding onto the door frame. Then you begin to hold and breathe. Breathe nice and deep. Engage that stretch for about 30 seconds or so. You could do it longer if you wish. Make sure that breathing is nice, deep, slow, and rhythmic. Then you come out of it. And of course, you do the other side. I'm not going to do the other side just because the camera angle and everything's a little rough. But just rewind if you want an explanation on how to do the other side. And make sure that you give this video a like if you enjoyed what you learned.